If you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on the Xiaomi 17, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. There is a chance that you will find the hotspot settings immediately over here in these settings, but if not, then you have to go to more connectivity options, and then in here you can find the portable hotspot option. Here we can enable and disable the mobile hotspot quite easily. If you enable it for the first time, then you should be able to find the portable hotspot in here instead in the main page of settings, so you will not have to go to more connectivity options anymore. Now, of course, the hotspot is enabled and it is running, but if you want to check the details and if you want to set it up, you just have to tap on set up portable hotspot, where you can find the name of the network, and there is also the password. You can reveal it by tapping on this eye icon. You can of course tap on the password in order to change it, and then here we can also find some additional settings that you might want to go through, like for example the AP band and the option to hide the network. And of course, we're gonna tap on this check in the upper right corner if you made any changes and you want to apply them. But besides that, if the hotspot is enabled, you can generate a QR code that can be used in order to scan it on another device and immediately connect on your phone. Also, we have the support of 6th generation standard, so if you want to use Wi-Fi 6 with your hotspot, you can turn it on quite easily, but keep in mind that this can cause some issues with the compatibility on other devices. Other devices might not be able to find your network afterwards. And there is one more thing that I want to mention and that is the fact that you can add the hotspot button to the control center. If you added the control center, then you should be able to locate the hotspot button. So I'm just gonna add it, tap on this check in the upper right corner. So now you can enable and disable hotspot pretty easily via control center over here. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.